So you got an e-com store, or maybe you have some type of brick and mortar store and you're selling your business or services. Here's the thing. Some people don't buy because of the perceived risk that they may not get what they want out of you. So I would implore you to take a look at your delivery or what you're delivering, whether it's service or product, and see from a client's perspective what may be risky and how you can manage that risk and make sure you communicate clearly with your clients, whether that's on your webpage or whether that's in your sales process. So here's the thing. If you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, you're more readily to close the sale online than if you don't. That's because your client will have the confidence to be able to buy risk-free. That, in conclusion, means that assessing your risk for your client ahead of time will make sure that you close more sales.